Yeah, it's you. Hey. Welcome back to the channel. You already know, this is Nick.
And this is Favor.
And together we are Nick and Favor. As you guys can see from the title, we are doing Who Knows Who Better. You see, Who Knows Who Better video. You know how the game goes. We ask a question. Anybody that is guilty, but this game we're putting a little twist to it, then you are getting your face powdered on the ground. This is the game.
Yes, sir.
So, who is going to win this game?
I think I know you better.
I think I'm going to win this game. Yeah, no.
Okay. And before this video starts, you guys, come on now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified each time we post a new video.
Just do it already. Do it already.
Yay.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now let's go.
Let's straight into it.
The first question. Who is most likely to be dramatic?
Who is most likely to be dramatic? Who is most likely to be dramatic?
I think. Who is most likely to be dramatic? I think it's you.
No, it's you.
We are we are talking about drama.
I know, as in to be dramatic. It's
Yes.
you. You like drama. You're very dramatic.
Nay, baby, it's you.
It's you. You're the one who's most likely to be dramatic.
Nay,
You know I'm the quiet one.
Baby, who is more like?
Okay, who talks the most?
It's not about who talks. We are talking about who is most likely to be
The
dramatic.
one who talks a lot, the one who starts the drama the most. It's you, and you know it. Yes.
All right. The next question. You're laughing, think it's funny, yeah? All right.
Who is most likely to be happy all the time? Me. Me?
You are the one.
It's you.
Like, who is most likely to be happy
To be
all the
happy all the
time?
time.
It's you. Look at you're always
But
happy.
me, I'm moody.
Baby, just
I'm
bring
moody.
this properly. You don't have to be. It's not the game. This is not the game. Let me put it. I'm so happy you're not putting a lot of powder in my area.
But I'm not supposed to be happy. And I even said me. Can you imagine?
Yeah, that's it now. Now, I like the way your face is looking. The third question. Who is most likely to be mad all the time?
You.
I think it's you.
It's you.
Like, mad, like get angry.
It's you.
Oh my God. You think that was funny, right? You think that was funny? Give us the next question. Who is most likely to lie? Baby, they don't argue about this one. Just, baby, just do. Just do. We know the liars, you know. We know the liars. We know you are the one that is most likely to lie. You know? Oh my God, my clothes is messed up. Baby, don't clean. If you clean, the beauty will be out. We need to see whose face. We need to see whose face is. Let's see the next question. Who is most likely to always tell the truth?
Me. You.
No, you always tell the truth sometimes. You know? Maybe you should put it properly. You're not putting it properly. You always tell the truth. It's good, you know? It's good you tell the truth in this kind of game. Let's see the next question. Let's go.
Who is the most likely to get a tattoo?
Who is most likely to get a tattoo? You always talk about that, getting it. You know, me, I'm not really. You should be putting the powder properly. You see, fresh to the death. Because I've never really thought about getting a tattoo or something like that. Oh my god. Still looking pretty anyway.
So am I the bad one or what?
Of course. All the bad things come from it's coming from you right now, the way I see things. Let's see which next question. Who is most likely to get a piercing?
A piercing?
Like in the ears, in the nose, in the mouth, you know. I think it's
you.
It's me? Nah. It's you. You always dream about doing bad things.
Stop.
You're always doing it. You always, that's your dream. Doing bad things, you know. Oh, you're still looking great, you know.
Oh my god, you guys don't see my eyes.
Stop doing bad things then. Okay, let's see the next question. Like, mind you guys, we don't really know the next question that is coming. It's just coming.
Who is most likely to join a band? Who is most likely to join a band? It's you, because you like all these things.
Maybe. Okay, I think I need to go harder. I need to put like more powder on your side.
That's it. Put some here.
No, I can't. How can I put powder in my own?
How can you put it on my side and not on your side?
Who's most like that was question, huh? Okay, let's see the next one. Be nice to us now. Be nice. Wow, who is most likely to be an artist?
You love me.
But you know I don't know how to draw. This one is
this one. Artist can be anything, music, wise.
Baby, listen.
That type of stuff.
Did you use your hand to add powder?
No.
But you're not supposed to do that.
I didn't use my hand.
You're not supposed to. That's cheating. You just put my face. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Man, I'm not looking good. The next question. Who is most likely to date a celebrity? You. This girl likes. You like. She likes Agnes Mo too much. Okay.
No.
Agnes Mo is a lady anyway, but he likes Drake. So you like Drake. You are most likely to date a celebrity. But she ain't dating no celebrity. We are dating us right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, look at how you're looking. Okay, I don't think I can take more. Let's just take the last question.
Who is most likely to be afraid of spider? You.
I'm not scared of spider. You.
Me too, I'm not scared. Let's just go to the next question.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're not scared of spider? Okay, I'm going to do a spider prank on her then. Since you say you're not scared of spider, but I know you're scared of snakes.
Yes, of course. I just don't like them.
But spider. Let's see what the next question is. Let's go. Who is most likely to die for doing something stupid?
You.
But I don't do stupid things now.
But I was like this.
But that was wrong. I don't do something stupid. Oh my god. Guys, look at our clothes. Clothes is messed up. Okay, now we're going to take the final question. We're all messed up, man. The final and the last question. who is most likely to embarrass themselves?
You.
Nay.
It's you. But do you know why I'm saying that?
Why?
Because you're too talkative. You just say things anyhow. So
Nay, that one doesn't embarrass you. Okay.
Nay, as in who is most likely to embarrass themselves?
Who most likely to puff in the public?
You.
That's embarrassing. Nay, I can't do that. That one will embarrass.
I can't do that as well. I can't do that, like saying things anyhow, puffing and everything. You can.
Baby, I can't do that.
You can.
Baby.
You can.
Nay, this question.
You can.
This question.
You can.
I think both of us can embarrass ourselves. That question is for both of us. Anyways, guys, we're so messed up right now. Look at it. Well, that's a video.
Yeah. So who knows who better?
Who knows who better? This was kind of, in another way, we just kind of put a little twist to it. Baby. Yes, guys, that's this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had fun doing it, and
we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe,
like, and comment.
Yeah,
Peace.